All right, so in this video, we're just going to we're going to use 4 different chords, and I'm going to show you how to use your finger picking patterns with those. So we're going to start with our G major chord. So this one, when you're playing G, your root is on the 6th string. So we'll want to start with our thumb there. And you can do, so when you get into chords, this is when you can start experimenting a little bit with which sounds better. So you could do this, you could do it on strings 2, 3, and 4, which is a little different than we did before, which would sound like this. Or you can do it on back like we did in the first video, strings 1, 2, and 3. So just doing a basic little finger picking pattern to get used to it. We have our root here. Try it with strings 1, 2, and 3 to start. Now go to 2, 3, and 4. So just move your fingers. And I'm just doing P-I-M-A. Now we're going to go to an E minor. So E minor, your 6th string is still the root. So we're going to keep your 6th string there, and we're going to keep these other fingers there. So E minor, you could do it like this. If you did it the same way as we did in the first video, it would sound the same. You could do it without these fingers here completely. But for now, let's do it on strings 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to go to a C next. So in a C, we don't hit that 6th string. We start on the 5th. So we're going to move our thumb down and start on the 5th. And we're just going to keep these strings for now on these fingers, your I, M, and A on on strings 2, 3, and 4. Like that. We're just doing P, I, M, A. This is also a great way to check to see if all your notes are ringing out. And you can use any of the patterns when we're doing this. You could do, that was our P, M, I, A, or back to P, M, I. We're going to try these in some songs after. Now we're going to switch to our D. So our D, we don't play the 6th or the 5th string. We're going to start on your 4th string. And now this one we have no real room for any fingers. It's only 4 strings. So we're going to put these ones on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. P-M-I-M-A. So this is how you would use in the song. So let's just do the picking pattern. We're just going to do P-I-M-A, and we're going to go once G, once E minor, once C, and once D. You might notice some of the strings you're not hitting, so you don't necessarily have to hold those down, but you might as well get used to having the whole chord down. So wait, now though, if we play G like this instead, so our full G, now it'll change what it's going to sound like because we're plucking that 2nd string. Sounds nice, right? So let's try it. Now you can try those 4 chords with all the different picking patterns.